MC and humble blues harmonica honker here in Los Gatos and San Jose and all around the Bay Area. And before I go out and announce today's featured headliner, today's featured entertainment, I want to know, do we have any Latin music lovers in the park today? From you guys up front, what about you guys over there to the side? Any Latin music lovers out there? You picked the right park. You picked the right Sunday. We got a killer band assembled for you today. Today's featured entertainment is the Pacific Mambo Orchestra. And they put the big in big band, folks. This is a 19-piece Latin big band. And they play a wide range of Latin music, folks. Salsa, mambo, Latin jazz, cha-cha, you name it, they play it. They have been called one of the best current Latin orchestras in the world. They're one of the most exciting live acts in the country, and they feature some of the Bay Area's finest musicians. I know some of these guys, and I can vouch for it personally. Now, I was talking to their fearless leader, Stefan Kuhn.
Wow! I'm still astonished at how many people are gathered here in a single place. It's an honor for Pacific Mambo Orchestra to be here down south. This is the full down south we'll be here for that.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the big girl on Gatos.